Hello, I'm Kevin from Untied, the UK's personal tax app, with another tax tea break. Although, given my sore throat at the moment, a tax Lensit break would probably be more appropriate. Today, we're going to be looking at receipts. We're often asked, do we need to keep receipts? Do we need to scan them? Do we need to send them to HMRC? And if I don't have a receipt, can I still claim the business expense? So here are the answers. You need to keep evidence of your business transactions, that's both income and expenses, for up to 7 years. In terms of what makes up that evidence, think, what would help me explain this transaction to HMRC if they asked about it? Of course, it might include receipts, but also things like bank records, photos, email chains, and other records. You don't need to keep it in any particular format. So some people might have a folder of paper receipts, others might scan them and include them in an online folder. And if you're using Untied, you've got a couple of options. First of all, we use the bank records as your primary source of your transactions. You can then attach evidence within the Untied mobile app or Untied Pro in the browser against each individual transaction if you want to do so. You don't need to send your receipts to HMRC. And what if you haven't got a receipt? Well, you can still claim that expense. Think though about the nature of that expense and the value that's associated with it. If you've gone away to a conference and you've bought a coffee using cash, well, that's probably something which is going to be quite easy to explain. But if you've got a £600 transaction from Curry's, you'll want to have evidence to justify that that's a laptop for use in your business rather than a new fridge freezer. So that's a tax tea break or tax Lensit break from Untied.